Module design subvert tradition. Minimalist design tribute to the classic. Thermoelectric separation design. Chip foot temperature is as low as 70 degrees Celsius. Rotary buckle design. Quick installation maintenance. 180 lumens per watt. 70 by 140 degrees angle. IP67 plus 10 kV surge protection. Angle adjustable. Auto light sensor. Energy saving and environmental protection. Programmable, multi-scenario application, can be changed at any time. (0-10V dimmer). Modular design, upgrade at any time. There is a bright prospect. 4G communication. Intelligent control. Small size. So freight is cheaper. Finished light equals SKD. Tariff reduction. Born for engineering projects.